Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Yeah, Zion, lion in a jungle. Me wake up to the sound of breeze. Birds are sing and me heart at ease. She beside me, wrapped in sheet. Sunlight kiss her skin so sweet. Me roll a spliff, me give her off. We laugh and float in herbal pot. No stress, no fight, just pure line. Me feel Jah love in she and time. Herbs and harmony guide we flow. In this life we move real slow. Ganja burn, mind get free. One heart, one soul, you and me. Herbs and harmony deep like sea. Roots connection eternally. Every draw a sacred breath. We live in love, we not fear death. Me not chase Babylon illusion. Me find joy in natural fusion. Me queen dance with breeze and fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. She plant the herbs, me sing the song. Together we build where we belong. Coconut juice, hammock swing. Bird them chant and love them bring. Under moonlight me see her glow. She move like river, pure and slow. Incense burn, meditation start. She read me so like sacred art. No judge, no mask, no pretense. Just honest vibes in her presence. When world get loud, she call me mine. With one soft word me realign. Herbs and harmony, sweet and true. Jah provide the love in you. Me nah need no gold, no fame. Me call her love, but her soul got name. Herbs and harmony, balance light. We hold each other through the night. Storm may come, system may test, but we hold firm and still feel blessed. Me reason with me queen both life. She say me nah born just fi be wife. Me warrior too, me spirit free. Me hold the earth in a me tree. She teach me how fi blend the root. How every plant and word is truth. She dance round fire, I so wise. Me see the universe in she eyes. So light the chalice, hold me hand. We walk together on sacred land. No rush, no race, just this one song. With herbs and harmony we belong. Me whisper thanks to Jah above. For one like she, an endless love. We not just live, we elevate. Through herbs and harmony we levitate. Ay, Kingston, skunking on the paper. Me wake up with the sun in me face. Birds chant him in a sacred place. Me stretch me arms to the ancient breeze. Me barefoot step on the earth with ease. No concrete, no plastic scene. Just green hills and water clean. Me no need no app to feel alive. Jah vibration make me thrive. Me nah rush, me nah compete. Me rhythm slow but solid like drum beat. Me heart in tune with the whispering leaf. The silence louder than modern grief. Roots run deep where the soul can grow. Far from Babylon and the digital flow. Me plant me dreams in a Zion style. Me reap peace, me nah spoil. Roots run deep under full moonlight. Guide me path through darkest night. No man can sell what Jah provide. Me walk with truth as me ride. Me see the youth lost in a screen, but real life more vivid than any meme. Me teach them love, me teach them chant. Me show them how the Naya bingy plant. We not followers of trend and hype. We blaze wisdom, we hold the pipe. Meditation under tree of age. Me spirit dance like lion in cage. Them say Rasta just a look or song, but Rasta is life ancient and strong. Me nah need label fi live this code. Me carry peace like Jah mode. And one split for the healing, and one beat for the soul. So one love for the children, one fire for the goal. Me nah bend for silver, nah sell me name. Me rather stay grounded in humble fame. From the root to the fruit, me story grow. Me carry the fire wherever me go. Roots run deep in a sacred ground. Me listen to earth, me love the sound. Me not stray from Jah design. Me path align like the stars align. Roots run deep in a heartbeat song. Me walk with the elders all along. Each step me take a reverent show to the source that make the spirit glow. Me no chase illusion, me hold vibration. Me chant down fear, me build foundation. System a shake but me tree stand still, because roots anchor deep in will. Them try distract with glitter screen, but Jah Light brighter than any machine. Me turn me back pan vanity's mask. Me find me joy in a simple task. Plant the food, cook the steam. Reason in circle, share me dream. Rasta not compete in a world so fake. We bake our bread, we not take snake. So if you feel lost in a modern maze, take off your shoes, walk nature ways. Me promise you this, me swear it's true. The roots of life will carry you through.
Morning, me rise with Jah sun. Bird them a sing and me journey begun. Me stretch out me soul like a tree to the sky. Breathing the blessing, let troubles pass by. Me grab a chalice from me side. Give thanks for the journey, no need for hide. Me step outside on sacred earth. Every step me take, me remember worth. Roots of the morning light, guide me soul through darkest night. Herb in a me palm, chanting a me breath. Meditation protect me from death. Me nah rush time, me let it be. Me life in tune with the olive tree. Sunrise I speak in golden tone. Me heart a drum, me spirit groan. River nearby whisper truth to me. Wash off illusion, let me be free. Me see the butterfly flutter and glow. Even in silence creation show. Me burn the herb with no shame at all. It lift me up, it never let me fall. Me eye them clear like spring water stream. Me hold me vision, me live me dream. Oh Jah, bless this blessed breeze. Carry me soul through forest trees. No worry, no fight, just harmony. Me dance pan rhythm like melody. Every leaf a message, every root a guide. Me overstand the signs nature provide. Me sit, me reason with elders deep. Wisdom wisdom planted where silence sleep. Roots of the morning light shine pa me dreadlocks, make them bright. With smoke and prayer, me elevate. No Babylon clock can dictate me fate. Me move with love, me act with grace. Me see Jah presence in every face. From sunrise to when stars ignite, me walk with roots of the morning light. Toast to the hills, toast to the sea. Me life is a poem, me soul is free. Toast to me queen and the fruit she bear. Me live for love, me always care. Me eat ital, me speak clean. Me live upright, me keep it green. Meditate pan a rock, no phone, no net. The wisdom come when the mind resets. Roots of light in a everyday. Me follow Jah, me nah go stray. So if you wake and feel confused, just find a tree and sit and muse. Let the herb lift you beyond the noise. Let the silence become your voice. Jah loving all, me hold it tight. Forever walk with roots of light.
Me rise up early, me ready fi fight. A warrior of the people standing in the light. Me no afraid fi defend the truth. Me rise for the youth, me rise for the roots. Them try fi break we down, them try fi control. But the spirit of the people, it touch me soul. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain. But me nah back down, me nah go in vain. We rise together, the battle begun. Me a warrior for the people, the work's never done. Jah give the strength, Jah give the shield. Me stand firm, me never yield. Warrior of the people, me rise and fight. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the light. Me no back down, me no run away. Warrior of the people, me lead the way. Warrior of the people, me hold the line. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the divine. Me no retreat, me no give up the fight. Warrior of the people, me hold the light. Me see the oppressors, them try to divide. But the people arise, we won't be denied. Me chant for the youth, me chant for the free. The strength of Jah guide, we destiny. We stand in unity, we stand in strength. Me fight for the people, me go the length. Me no fear the battle, me no fear the pain. We rise as warriors, we break the chain. Through the darkness, me see the light. Me a warrior for the people, me stay the fight. No matter the struggle, no matter the war, we stand strong, we ready for score. Warrior of the people, me rise and fight. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the light. Me no back down, me no run away. Warrior of the people, me lead the way. Warrior of the people, me hold the line. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the divine. Me no retreat, me no give up the fight. Warrior of the people, me hold the light. Me rise, me fight, me never look back. A warrior of the people, me on the attack. We stand for the truth, we rise in the light. Warrior of the people, we take the fight. Me see the struggle in the ghetto street. The Babylon system trample the weak. But the people rise, me hear the call.
We nah give up, we rise above the fall. Them try fi break the spirit, try fi break the soul, but Jah guide the steps, me know the goal. Me see the youths, them fight for the right. Rise above Babylon, them can't dim the light. Them want fi trap we in a chains of fear, but we not bow, we standing near. Jah power strong, Jah will so clear. Rise above Babylon, no more tear. Rise above Babylon, let the fire blaze. Me chant feed the truth, me set the pace. Rise above Babylon, the chains them fall. Me stand tall, me answer the call. Rise above Babylon, no retreat. We rise as one, we not accept defeat. Me rise above, me chant the truth. Me rise above Babylon, feed the youth. Them build the walls, them spread the hate, but we rise strong, we never late. Me see the fire burning at the heart of the youth. They march together, chant the truth. The elders say, we've seen the fight, but the next generation bring the light. We hold the faith, we hold the line. Just strength a guide, we feel the sign. We rise above the lies, above the greed. We chant feed the youth, feed the people in need. Me see the victory, it come for sure. Rise above Babylon, me chant for pure. Rise above Babylon, let the fire blaze. Me chant feed the truth, me set the pace. Rise above Babylon, the chains them fall. Me stand tall, me answer the call. Rise above Babylon, no retreat. We rise as one, we not accept defeat. Me rise above, me chant the truth. Me rise above Babylon for the youth. Me see the children, me hear the cry. Me know the time for the people to fly. The struggle real, but the victory near. Rise above Babylon, we make it clear. Jah Light a shine, the wicked fall. The people strong, we answer the call. Me hear the drum beats, me feel the sound. Rise above Babylon, stand firm, stand proud. Zion roots, Zion Ako, Zion. We stand firm in the storm, me no fear the rain. The winds may blow, but me remain. Through the darkness, me hold the light. Me stand firm, me rise, me fight. Them try to break me, them try to pull me down, but me feet on the ground, me wear me crown. The storm may rage, but me heart full of strength. Me stand firm in the storm, me go the length. Me no give up, me no run away. Me face the battle, me rise every day. Me soul unshaken, me spirit unbound. Me stand firm in the storm, me feet on the ground. Stand firm in the storm, we rise above. Through the pain and strife, we show the love. Stand firm in the storm, no matter the fight. We walk with Jah, me rise in the light. Stand firm in the storm, we rise as one. The battle ain't over till the victory's won. Stand firm in the storm, we hold the faith. We trust in Jah, me no hesitate. We face the trials, we face the pain, but the strength of the warriors we sustain. Me no bow down, me no break. We stand firm, we never shake. The storm may howl, the thunder may roar, but we stand firm, we ready for the war. Me heart full of courage, me soul full of fire. Stand firm in the storm, we never tire. The road may be long, the struggle deep, but me no fear the heights, me no fear the steep. We rise rise above the chaos, the rise in the fight. Me stand firm in the storm, me trust the light. Stand firm in the storm, we rise above. Through the pain and strife, we show the love. Stand firm in the storm, no matter the fight. We walk with Jah, me rise in the light. Stand firm in the storm, we rise as one. The battle ain't over till the victory's won. Stand firm in the storm, we hold the faith. We trust in Jah, me no hesitate. Me feel the winds, me feel the pressure, but me know me strength is Jah's treasure. We rise from the struggle, we no feel the strain. Me stand firm in the storm, me no feel the pain. Me walk with courage, me heart pure. We face the storm, me endure. We hold the truth, we hold the right. Me stand firm in the storm, in the light. Through the thunder, through the rain, we walk with me brothers, we no fear the strain. The storm may rage, but me no back down. We stand firm. Smoke the bubbats. Rolling through the hills with a spliff in a me hand. Bassline, heavy jam music in a divan. Me nah stress, me nah chase no goal. Me chase peace where the stories unfold. Rasta on the road with the windows down. Sunlight paint me locks like a lion crown. Me eyes low but me spirit high. Each puff me take, me reach Jah's sky. High vibration highway take me far from Babylon eyes. Cruising with the rhythm, chanting out Jah Jah's burning bush. Me elevate, me soul in sync with the natural state. No chains, no cage, no deadline fright. Me steering wheel, all roots and light. Me ride with reason, not with rage. Me life a book, and this the page. Me meet a dread on the corner bend. He say blessed love me brethren, me friend. He hand me fruit from the mountain tree. Say real food come from simplicity. Me sip coconut straight from shell. Me story deeper than tongue can tell. This life not fake, not filtered screen. Me heart beat strong, me vision clean. Smoke rise to the heavens above. Me inhale truth, exhale love. Meditation keep me grounded so while me travel where the rivers flow. No map, no plan, me just trust the path. The journey itself make me laugh. Every mile me drive, me feel more whole. Every stop a lesson to the soul. High vibration highway take me where me free. From town to hills, to mountain sea. With rhythm and fire and ganja leaf, me find relief beneath belief. Jah wind guide me wheel tonight. Me roll in peace, me ride in light. Highway stretch like a lion's mane. Me soul unchained, me love remain. Zion roads, Zion roads. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Me born a warrior, me no back down. Me stand up strong, me hold me ground. Me walk through the fire, me feel the heat. But me rise again, me never admit defeat. The battle's fierce, the road is tough, but the spirit is strong. Me've had enough. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the right. Me warrior spirit, me ready.
Them want to break me, them want to see me fall, but me rise again. Me stand tall, me no fear the war, me no fear the pain. Me warrior spirit, me born fi reign. Warrior spirit rise, me rise above. Through the darkness, me rising low. Warrior spirit rise, me never go down. Me stand for the truth, me wear the crown. Warrior spirit rise, me rising light. Me face the storm, me face the night. Warrior spirit rise, me hold the flame. Me fight for Jah, me no play the game. Me walk the path of the righteous man. Me trust in Jah, me trust the plan. Me keep me head high, me keep me heart pure. Me warrior spirit, me always endure. Them try to bind me, them try to chain, but me heart is free, me no feel the strain. Me rise in the struggle, me rise in the fight. Me warrior spirit, me shine in the night. Me no bow down, me no kiss defeat. Me fight for the truth, me fight for the beat. Me walk with Jah, me walk with pride. Me warrior spirit, me cannot hide. Warrior spirit rise, me rise above. Through the darkness, me rising low. Warrior spirit rise, me never go down. Me stand for the truth, me wear the crown. Warrior spirit rise, me rising light. Me face the storm, me face the night. Warrior spirit rise, me hold the flame. Me fight for Jah, me no play the game. The battle may come, the fight may get hard, but me stand firm, me no feel the scars. Me rise with the warriors of the past. Me warrior spirit, me hold it fast. Through the rain, me march with pride. Me hold me ground, me don't run, me don't hide. Me face the storm, me face the fight. Me warrior spirit, me walk in the light. Me no fear the pain, me no fear the loss. Me rise above, me cross the cost. Me fight. Zion roots, Zion. Zion roots, you rise and chant. Zion roots, Zion. Zion roots, you rise and chant. We come from the roots, we come from the soil. We rise in the struggle, we fight for the spoil. Me chant for the freedom, me chant for the truth. Me chant for the youth, the strength of the roots. Them try to chain we down, them try to bind, but the roots of freedom, we carry the mind. No matter the obstacles, no matter the fight. Me walk in the truth, me walk in the light. Me see the Babylon, me see the lies, but we rise above it, me open the eyes. We stand for the truth, we stand for the free. The roots of freedom, the power we see. Roots of freedom, me rise and chant. Me stand for the truth, me never recant. We fight for the justice, we fight for the right. Roots of freedom, we walk in the light. Roots of freedom, we stand so tall. We rise above the lies, we rise above the fall. We fight for the people, for the land, for the soul. Roots of freedom, we rise and take control. We come from the trenches, we come from the struggle, but Jah guide me steps, me no gonna stumble. Me chant for the future, me chant for the youth. Me chant for the power of the roots, the truth. The system try to break we, but we no bend. The roots of freedom, we no pretend. We stand for the justice, we stand for the law. We rise above the hate, we rise above the flaw. Me see the change, me feel the fire. Roots of freedom, we never tire. Through the storm, through the rain, we rise in the light, we break the chain. Roots of freedom, me rise and chant. Me stand for the truth, me never recant. We fight for the justice, we fight for the right. Roots of freedom, we walk in the light. Roots of freedom, we stand so tall. We rise above the lies, we rise above the fall. We fight for the people, for the land, for the soul. Roots of freedom, we rise and take control. Me see the fire up burn so bright. Roots of freedom, me feel the light. We fight for the future, we fight for the day. We rise as one, no fear stand for the way. We rise as warriors, me see this way. Roots of freedom, we break the chain. We rise in the power, we rise in the flame. The journey long, but me know the path. Roots of freedom, me feel the wrath. Me no back down, me no fear the fight. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the right. We rise as lions, we rise as kings. We fight for the future, we fight for the wings. We stand for the freedom.
Zion Hakud Zayaya. Me see the system, me see the lies. Them try fi trap we, but we open we eyes. We rise above Babylon, rise above the greed. We rise in the light, we plant the seed. Them set fi destroy, them set fi divide. But me hold me ground, me no run and hide. Me chant fi the justice, me chant fi the peace. Me rise above Babylon, me rise from the leash. Me no bow down, me no fall fi the trick. Me rise as a lion, me stand fi the quick. Me hold me faith, me hold me truth. Rise above Babylon, protect the youth. Rise above Babylon, me rise and fight. Me stand fi the truth, me stand fi the light. We fight fi the people, we fight fi the soul. Rise above Babylon, we take the control. Rise above Babylon, we rise in the flame. We break the chains, no more shame. We rise in unity, we rise in the song. Rise above Babylon, we weak, no more strong. Them try fi lock we down, them try fi silence we vice. But we rise above it, we make the right choice. Me not afraid fi the system, me not afraid fi the war. Me rise above Babylon, me know who the star. Me chant fi the people, me chant fi the free. Me chant fi the children, the future we see. Them can't break we, them can't break the chain. Rise above Babylon, we rise again. Me no fear the pressure, me no fear the hate. Me know the truth, me know me faith. We rise in the struggle, we rise for the cause. Rise above Babylon, no matter the flaws. Rise above Babylon, me rise and fight. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the light. We fight for the people, we fight for the soul. Rise above Babylon, we take the control. Rise above Babylon, we rise in the flame. We break the chains, no more shame. We rise in unity, we rise in the song. Rise above Babylon, we weak, no more strong. Me see the fire, me feel the heat. Me rise above Babylon, me stand on me feet. Me chant for the justice, me chant for the right. Rise above Babylon, we rise in the fight. Me see the future, me see the light. Me rise above Babylon, me hold the sight. Yeah, rule. Yeah, yeah. We walk the warrior's path, me no fear the road through the storm and the struggle. Me carry the load, me heart filled with courage, me soul filled with fire. The warrior's path, me rise, me as aspire. Them try to break me spirit, them try to stop me stride. But the warrior's path, me no go hide. Me step with confidence, me stand with grace. Me walk the warrior's path, me no lose me place. Me rise above the hate, me rise above the doubt. Me heart strong, me no turn about. We warriors feed the truth, feed the right. Me walk the warrior's path, me rise in the light. Warrior's path, me rise and fight. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the light. We fight for the justice, we fight for the soul. Warrior's path, we take the control. Warrior's path, we strong and bold. Me rise as a lion, my story unfolds. We fight for the future, we fight for the cause. stand for the truth. Me walk the warrior's path for the youth. The battle is fierce, the road is long, but the warrior's heart keeps me strong. Me chant for the justice, me chant for the peace. We rise from the struggle, we never cease. Through the storm, through the rain, we walk the warrior's path, break the chain. Them try to pull we down, them try to divide, but the warrior's path, me stand with pride. Me know me strength, me know me faith. We walk the warrior's path, we never wait. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the light. We fight for the justice, we fight for the soul. Warrior's path, we take the control. Warrior's path, we strong and bold. Me rise as a lion, me story unfolds. We fight for the future, we fight for the cause. Warrior's path, we break the laws. The warrior's path, we rise again. Through the struggle, through the pain, we stand for the future, we stand for the right. We walk the warrior's path into the light. Me wake up each day, me feel the rise. No fear in Zion, me see the skies. The sun a shine, me see the truth. Jah guide my steps, me guide the youth. The battle real, but we have the strength. Me face the pressure, me got the length. No fear in Zion, me no run away. Me rise in the morning, me praise the day. Them try to spread the fear, but me stand tall. We walk in the light, me feel the call. No matter the storm, no matter the strife, me know the truth, me know my life. No fear in Zion, we stand so strong. We walk in the truth, we sing the song. No fear in Zion, we rise above. We walk by faith, me know the love. No fear in Zion, me feel the peace. Jah guide my steps, me find the release. We rise in the light, we rise in the truth. No fear in Zion, we free the youth. The world are full of struggles and pain, but me know my steps can't be in vain. No fear in Zion, we keep the pace. Me walk with Jah, me find my grace. Them try to stop the movement, the progress, but me rise above the pressure, the stress. Me hear the drums, me hear the sound. No fear in Zion, we hold the ground. Me chant for the youth, me chant for the truth. We rise above the lies, the wicked in the boot. We stand together, no divide, no fear. No fear in Zion, Jah's light is near. No fear in Zion, we stand so strong. We walk in the truth, we sing the song. No fear in Zion, we rise above. We walk by faith, me know the love. No fear in Zion, me feel the peace. Jah guide my steps, me find the release. We rise in the light, we rise in the truth. No fear in Zion, we free the youth. Me see the vision, me see the light. No fear in Zion, me stand in the fight. Me rise above the dark and the pain. Me walk in the truth, me break the chain. Me chant for the people, for the future so bright. We rise above the wrong, we find the right. The struggle real, but Jah's light lead the way. No fear in Zion, we live for the day. Me walk for the people, for the land, for the soul. We rise together, we make the goal. No fear in Zion, we free the mind. We walk in the truth, we leave the lies behind. Me tell the youth, it's time for rise. Me tell the people, no compromise. Rise and shine, me rise up strong. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the song. Me rise and shine, me no shine, me rise every day. Me keep the faith, me find me way. Me run through the fire, me walk through the rain. Me face the pain, me feel the strain. But me never give up, me never give in. With the strength of Jah, me rise again. We carry the message, we carry the word. Me voice is strong, me vision is heard. Me rise like the sun, me rise like the dawn. Me step through the storm, me carry on. Them try to keep we down, them try to hold we back. But we rise above the lies, we stay on track. Me heart full of courage, me soul full of fire. Me rise and shine, me take me desire. Rise and shine, me rise up strong. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the song. Me rise and shine, me no fear the fight. We move through the struggle, we rise in the light. Rise and shine, we reach the top. We never stop, we never flop. Rise and shine, me rise every day. Me keep the faith, me find me way. Me see the future clear, me see the hope. Me no give in, me no mope. Through the trials, me keep the pace. Me rise and shine, me set the race. The journey is long, the journey is tough. But me rise with the strength, me rise in the rough. Me step with courage, me step with might. We rise and shine, me rise in the light. We carry the banner, we carry the flag. We march forward, we never lag. Me rise like the eagle, me rise so high. Me spread me wings and touch the sky. Through the struggle, me keep the faith. Me no stop, me no break, me no wait. We rise as one, we rise together. Me rise and shine, me rise forever. Me see the blessings, me see the signs. Me feel the strength, me know me lines. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the night. Me rise and shine, me take me flight. Rise and shine, me rise up strong. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the song. Me rise and shine, me no fear the fight. We move through the struggle, we rise in the light. Rise and shine, we reach the top. We never stop, we never flop. Rise and shine, me rise every day. Me keep the faith, me find me way. Me rise and shine. The road is rough, but me never stray. Me follow the light, the truth, the way. Through the darkness, me see the shine. Jah Light me guide, me heart align. The world are full of confusion, strife, but Jah lead me through the storm and life. Me no fear the battle, me no fear the night. We walk by faith, me walk by the light. Me see the wicked try to block the path, but me know me walk in Jah's wrath. The lion's heart, me know the power. Jah Light me guide, the strength me tower. Jah Light me guide, me walk the way. Through the storm, me rise each day. Me follow the path, me no look back. Jah Light me guide, me stay on track. Jah Light me guide, me feel the flame. Me rise above the hate, rise above the shame. We walk in truth, we walk in love. Jah Light me guide from below to above. Them tell me can never win. Them tell me not supposed to begin, but me know Jah Light is always near. In the face of danger, me have no fear. Me hear the whispers, me feel the call. Jah Light me guide, me stand tall. Through the valleys, me walk so strong. Jah Light me guide, me carry on. We rise above, we rise so high. We see the truth, we touch the sky. We see the future, the victory clear. Jah Light me guide, me never fear. Jah Light me guide, me walk the way. Through the storm, me rise each day. Me follow the path, me no look back. Jah Light me guide, me stay on track. Jah Light me guide, me feel the flame. Me rise above the hate, rise above the shame. We walk in truth, we walk in love. Jah Light me guide from below to above. In the darkest times, me know me not alone. Jah Light me guide, me find me home. We walk together, hand in hand. Jah Light me guide, we take a stand. Me see the dawn, me see the rise. Jah Light me guide, no compromise. Through the fire, through the rain, me stand by Jah Light, me feel the gain. Jah Light me guide, me keep the pace. Me rise above, me win the race. Through the battle, me trust the light. Me stay in the truth, me stay in the fight. The world full of struggle, but just power strong. Me walk in the path where me belong. Me see the wicked, me see the light. Deep in a jungle of concrete and steel, rebel heart still beat, still feel. System try block the sun and shade, but true warrior soul never fade. Them build wall high and cold, my spirit hotter than molten gold. Them handcuff dreams with paper chain, but my voice break free like desert rain. Them call me rebel, call me stray, but me live righteous every day. No TV light, no puppet show. Me roots run deep where river flow. Them tell you bow, them tell you crawl, but your children rise tall overall. Them design path fit trick with feet, but me step strong to ancient beat. Rebel hearts never fade. True storm, true blade. Babylon crumble in a shame, but rebel hearts still call Jah name. Rebel hearts fire ignite, shining bright in darkest night. Them can't kill spirit, born fi fight. Rebel hearts blaze Jah Light. Me see them wrap the youth in fear, poison brain with lie every year. But truth a river you can block, one day flood them Babylon dock. Me plant seed in a barren land, me water it with faithful hand. Them ridicule, them mock me stand, but Jah uplift every humble man. Me drum beat louder than them law, me roots stretch wider than them flaw. Them prophets built on bloody sand, me build with love, me build by hand. No wall enough, no chain strong enough, no light thick enough, we hold with tough. Rebel hearts dance through fire and rain, rise again and again and again. Rebel hearts never fade. True storm, true blade. Babylon crumble in a shame, but rebel hearts still call Jah name. Rebel hearts fire ignite, shining bright in darkest night. Them can't kill spirit, born fi fight. Rebel hearts blaze Jah Light. Me nah bow, me nah bend. Rebel heart chant to the end. Babylon whisper, Babylon roar, but rebel hearts sing louder more and more. Rebel hearts never fade. Rebel hearts never fade. Rebel hearts never fade. Hear it low, hear it deep. Drum beat rising from just sleep. Babylon tremble, system shake. A new dawn, me people are make. Me stepping on the street with lion heart. Them can't tear with spirit apart. System full of trick and lie, but truth blaze high in a just sky. Them build wall, fi hold we down, but me voice stronger than them sound. Them sell dreams wrapped in chains, Me say we soul not play them games. City lights blind the mind, but roots still call, roots still find. In a silence, me hear Jah voice. Tell me pick up your drum, pick up your choice. They mask up slavery, call it free, but me I open, me spirit see. Them can't own what Jah create. Me destiny now dictate. Sound of the uprising roll, breaking chains from the soul. No more silence, no more shame. Fire blaze up in a Jah name. Sound of the uprising rise. Thunder clap in a wicked skies. Me chant, me drum, me spirit fly. Babylon walls must surely die. Them preach control in a every book. Teach you fi fear, teach you fi look. But me look inside, me find Jah fire. Me chant and blaze up, righteous choir. TV news full of fear and spin, but me see love still live within. Them can't chain the mountain breeze, them can't buy the roots of trees. Every rebel heartbeat one, united under Jah sun. We nah bow, we nah bend, we chant till the very end. Me feel ancestors guide me hand, drum beat shake the wicked land. We not forget who we be, children of the most high tree. Rise up brother, rise up sister, them can't stop the roots. Rasta in every street, in every place. We build a kingdom Babylon can't erase. Sound of the uprising roll, breaking chains from the soul. No more silence, no more shame. Fire blaze up in a Jah name. Sound of the uprising rise. Thunder clap in a wicked skies. Me chant, me drum, me spirit fly. Babylon walls must surely die. So beat your drum, beat it loud. We spirit strong, we heads proud. Ooh yeah. Them dress it pretty but chain still tight. Them call it freedom but steal the right. Open your eyes my brother, my sister. Time for chant, time for awaken. Them say progress with flashing light, but underneath is deeper fight. New chains, new names, same old game. Babylon never changed them aim. We walk streets paved with fear. Them sell hope but it disappear. Me hear the cries in the crowd, but Jah whisper louder than sound. See the youth glued to the screen, trapped in a world that not clean. Them build walls inside your mind, so you not see the chains them bind. We spirit born to fly to Rome, but system built invisible dome. We break it down with sacred song. Roots warrior, me stand strong. Me now wear no chains in disguise. Me not bow to Babylon lies. Me chant for truth till sunrise. Me soul free, me spirit rise. Chains in disguise, them can't fool we eyes. Freedom not come from suit and ties. Me chant, me drum, me blaze the skies. Tear down them chains in disguise. Chains in disguise, me burn the lies. With every beat, we soul baptize. Roots deeper than Babylon spice. Tear down them chains in disguise. They said beware this silver tongue that promise joy but steal the young. Them write laws but break Jah plan. Them fear the power of a conscious man. Money system spin your head, make you forget what ancestors said. But me nah sell me spirit for gold. Me story ancient, strong and bold. Them distract we with division game, but love and unity blaze like flame. Me chant hype on mountain top. The system crumble, it can't stop. Them give badge and title name, but we still feel the hidden chain. Not pon me wrist, but pon me mind. Me break it, leave Babylon blind. We not sleep while them deceive. We build new vision, we believe. With drum and heart and roots divine. We tear down Babylon design. Chains in disguise, them can't fool we eyes. Freedom not come.
Oh Jah, the darkness rise, but me see the light. Me hear the cries, the wicked fall, the righteous rise. Me chant it loud, me break the ties. The fire burn, the people wake. The time is now, we change the fate. Me hold the faith, me burn the fake. Me rise up strong, me nah go break. Me walk through fire, me feel no pain. The struggles come, but still me reign. Them try fi trap with them build the chain, but me break free, me break the game. The system false, me know the deal. Them hide the truth, them sign the seal. Me chant me psalms, me keep it real. Me trod with love, me never kneel. Me tell me people fi hold the light, fi fight the fight, fi live it right. No sell your soul, no lose your sight. Jah guide we steps, me see the height. The mountain tall, but me still climb. Me trust Jah Jah, the stars align. Me chant the song, me feel the sign. The fire burn, the sun still shine. Jah light still shine, me feel it bright. No Babylon can block me sight. Me trod with love, me move in might. Me chant the psalms, me walk in light. Me rise today, me take me place. No wicked soul can touch me grace. Me burn the lies, me keep the pace. Jah Jah bless me, me see the face. Walk around, me see the change. The world confused, the time so strange. Them sell the soul, them rearrange. The youth them lost, the hearts deranged. Me chant the truth, me burn the fear. Me lift me hands, me make it clear. No politician can come me near. Me hold the faith, me trod sincere. Me take the mic, me speak for real. Me break the spell, me crack the seal. This system shake, me feel the deal. Me live in love, me never steal. Them poison ear, them poison land. Them take the soul, them take the hand. But Jah Jah bless we overstand. The righteous trod, we firm and grand. No chains span me, no wicked ties. Me lift me voice, me chant it high. The fire burn, me see the sky. Me trod with love, me never shy. Me break the spell, me set the free. Me call Jah name, me plant me tree. Me hold me ground, me live in glee. The truth so strong, me destiny, yeah. Jah light still shine, me feel it bright. No Babylon can block me sight. Me trod with love, me move in my Zion roots. Oh yeah, me rise up high. The wicked try, but them can't deny. Jah Jah bless me, me touch the sky. The fire burn me, soul never die. Me wake up early, me chant me psalms. Me step outside, me feel Jah palm. The sun a shine, me spirit calm. No wicked force can do me harm. Them push the war, them bring the fight. Them sell the lies, them hide the light. But me stay firm, me trod it right. The truth so strong, me hold it tight. trod with love, me find the way. The fire burn, no time for stray. Jah Light guide me night and day. Higher meditation, me soul so free. No more corruption, no misery. Me walk with Jah, me hold the key. Me see the vision, me destiny. Higher meditation, me trod it pure. Me feel the blessings, me spirit sure. The wicked plan can't last no more. Jah Jah guide me, me heart secure. Me tell the youth, them hold the vibe. No follow wicked, no take the bribe. The Rasta way, the higher tribe. Me chant me song, me soul alive. Them poisoneer, them take the land. Them blind the people, them change the plan. Me tell me brother, fi overstand. The time is now, fi break the ban. Me burn corruption, me burn the greed. The people suffer, them still in need. The rich get fat, them plant the seed. But truth still grow, me set the lead. No chains on me, me rise today. Me trod with love, me find the way. The fire burn, no time for stray. Jah Light guide me night and day. Higher meditation, me stand up strong. No wicked system can't last so long. Me chant me song, me move along. The righteous way, me know belong. Yeah, me say the fire still burn. Me take the lesson, me life take turn. The wicked tremble, the tables turn. Jah Jah bless me, me firm, me firm.
Zion roots.
Step forward, 2 step back. The system set up for make we lock. But me not stop, me push the track. Me chant your name, me never slack. Me wake up early, me greet the sun. Me hear the birds, me feel the drum. Me know the struggle just begun, but me not fear, me can't feel run. Me see me people work so hard, them plant the seed until the yard. The system pull the law too hard, but we not bow down, me trust me Lord. The youth them lost, them need a way. Them need the light to find the day. Them need a guide, them need a say. So me chant the song, me kneel and pray. The battle heavy, the weight so tall. The pressure rise, me hear them call. Me tell them stand up, never fall. The righteous rise above them all. One step forward, me push ahead. Rise up strong, me done with dread. The wicked plan, me see it dead. The fire burn, the system fled. One step forward, the time is now. Me break the chains, me take my vow. Me burn them lies, me make Jah proud. Me chant it loud, me sing it proud. Word that spin the days move fast. Me hold my ground, me make it last. The wicked scheme, them talk, them trash, but me not stop, me burn the past. Me see the future, me see it bright. Me hold the torch, me shine the light. Me chant the song, me sing all night. Me fight for freedom, me claim my right. Me take we land, them take we gold. Them poison youth, them make them soul. Them change the story, the lies them told. But we still strong, we still too bold. And me walk on the road where truth reside. Me hold your hand, me trod in stride. Me keep my heart, me keep my pride. Me chant the song, me walk inside. No more chains, no more fall. Me stand up firm, me hear the call. My fight for love, my fight for y'all. The righteous rise, we never stop. One step forward, me lead the way. Me burn the wicked, me clear the day. Me chant your name, me not go stray. The victory near, me hear them say, yeah, 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 yeah. Sayana, yeah, 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 yeah. Sayana, yeah.